Audible? This is your faculty. This is your teacher, your mentor, Ashish Kumar, welcoming you once again on CAT preparation by test book, guys. Chalo, let's start today's session. We are live. Acha, this is the fourth session of geometry, and today specifically this is fourth session of triangles as well, and the last session of triangles. Today we'll be discussing some very good CAT level questions asked in triangles. Okay. Let's start without much delay today's session. First question of the day. I'll give you 90 seconds to attempt the question. 90 seconds, do attempt beta, and then we will discuss this question together. Question number 1. ABCD is a rectangle. Sides are given. E is the midpoint of CD. You have to find the length of the radius of the in circle of triangle ADE. Come on, guys. Try this question. Very good question this is. You need to be conceptually strong to answer this question. Come on, guys. Quickly do let me know if I am perfectly visible and audible. एक बार मुझे बता देना. And those who are watching this in the form of recording, guys, you can pause the video always, attempt the question, and then come back to watch the solution. Very good. You got last 20 seconds left. Time's up. There is a rectangle ABCD. We have drawn the rectangle. Okay, the sides of which are 56 centimeter and 45 centimeter. Let the rectangle be A, B, C, and D. These sides 56, AD and BC are 45 each. 45 each. Okay. Now E is the midpoint of side CD. So let's put E over here. Let's put E somewhere in the middle. So this would be 28 and EC would be 28. Very good. The length in centimeter of radius of in circle of triangle ADE. So we need to create a triangle ADE. Let's connect this. अभी इस ट्राइंगल के अंदर जो सर्कल है, इन सर्कल, ओके, इन सर्कल, इसका रेडियस, assume this to be circle, ओके, इलिप्स मत बोल देना सर, इलिप्स है ये, तो दिस इज इलिप्स. चलो, वी आर लाइव. ओके, सो ये जो सर्कल है ना, दिस इज इन सर्कल टू ट्राइंगल ADE. इसका रेडियस निकालना था आपको, इस सर्कल का रेडियस निकालना था. दिस वाज आस्क्ड. आपसे इस सर्कल का रेडियस पूछा है R. लेट द सेंटर बी O. ओके गाइस, check this out. We know that triangle ADE is right angled. Hayana. Triangle ADE is right angled. So we can calculate hypotenuse. What would be AE? AE would be square root of AD square plus D square. Hayana. And this is the square root of 45 square plus D is 28 square. Let's add them. 25 square is 2025. 28 square is 784. When we add both of them, we get 2809. Is it? Hanji, square root of 2809. And 2809 is square of 53. So I can say AE is nothing but 53. This AE is nothing but 53. Being a right angled triangle, what is the formula for radius of in circle? कल देखा था हमने. If it is a right angled triangle, in radius is nothing but, जो in radius है, in this case R, is nothing but sum of legs, which is 45 plus 28, minus hypotenuse, which is 53, upon 2. This was the formula for in radius, provided the circle is right angled. Here triangle ADE is right angled, right? What is this? 73 minus 53 is 20. 20 by 2 is 10. So correct answer is 10 centimeter. Correct answer to the question is 10 centimeter. The radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Sorted? Chalo, let's jump to next question. Guys, try this one. I'll give you standard 90 seconds. Now, what I expect you to do in these 90 seconds? आपको 90 seconds में I have very little expectation कि आप इसको solve कर लो. ठीक है, solve कर लिया, well and good, and it's possible to get the answer within 90 seconds. But what I want is कि आप at least question अच्छे से पढ़ो, so that when we discuss the question, you are not lost. You should be in the game. Come on, guys. Last 15 seconds left. देखो ज्योमेट्री है, यू नीड टू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. ओरली करोगे कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन द क्लास विदाउट एनी नोटबुक एंड पेन, देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन सिटिंग इन द क्लास. गाइस, टाइम इज द मोस्ट प्रेशियस थिंग दैट यू हैव. टाइम से कीमती कुछ भी नहीं है. सेव योर प्रेशियस टाइम, इन्वेस्ट इट समवेयर एल्स. इफ यू आर इन द क्लास, sit with a paper and a pen and hopefully bottle of water, so that आप पूरे सेशन में with full efficiency क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सको. एंड यू शुड गेट समथिंग आउट ऑफ द सेशन. अगर आपको कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है तो इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम समवेयर एल्स. In a right angled triangle, the altitude AB is 5 centimeter and the base BC is 12 centimeter. So AB's altitude 5 centimeter and the base is BC 12 centimeter. We know the third side is 13 centimeter. Right angled at B. Right angled at B. Now P and Q are 2 points on BC such that the areas of triangle ABP, ABQ and ABC are in arithmetic progression. P and Q are 2 points on BC. So BC के ऊपर P and Q 2 points है. Let's say this is P and let's say this is Q. So P and Q are 2 points on BC such that area of triangle APB, okay, area of triangle APB, area of triangle ABQ and the area of triangle ABC, all of this is in arithmetic progression. Triangle ABP, feel the triangles better. You need to feel the diagram. Triangle ABC है, triangle AB, oh sorry, AB, triangle ABP, triangle ABP, triangle ABQ, and triangle ABC. The area of these three triangles are in AB. Try to locate the triangles in the diagram. इन triangles को diagram में locate करने की कोशिश करो. Their areas are in AP. Okay, very good. Moving ahead. If the area of triangle ABC is 1.5 times the area of triangle ABP, area of triangle ABC is 1.5 times area of triangle ABP. This is also given. We can calculate area of triangle ABC, right? Area of triangle ABC is half into base BC into height AB. This is 1.5 times area of triangle ABP. Yes or no? Wherein BC की value is 12. BC was 12 ना? मैंने ये निकाल दिया. BC was 12. Length of AB is 5. This is 1.5 times area of triangle ABP. So this is 6 5s are 30. 30 upon 1.5 is 20. So area of triangle ABP is 20. अच्छा देखो बेटा, area of triangle ABP 20 है, area of triangle ABC 30 है. These three are in arithmetic progression. So what would be the area of triangle ABQ? Sir, area of triangle ABQ has to be 25. तभी arithmetic progression होगा. Sorted. So area of triangle ABQ आपको मिल गया. Got it? Now what is asked? We are asked the length of PQ. PQ का length. अच्छा, tell me what would be the area of triangle APQ? इसके बारे में सोचो जरा. What would be area of triangle APQ? Sir, AQB minus APB, right? इस बड़े वाले ट्राइंगल में से इस छोटे वाले को माइनस करेंगे, we can get the area of triangle APQ. So AQB is how much? 25 and this is 20. So area of triangle APQ would be 5. Yes or no? Area of triangle APQ would be 5. We can also calculate the area of triangle APQ by using the standard formula half into base into height. Focus on APQ. This will behave as base and height. A say height is AB, right? So area of triangle APQ would be half into PQ into AB, and this is 5. I have AB as 5. AB का length भी 5 given है. So half into PQ into 5 is equal to 5. 5 से 5 cancel out. PQ is 2 centimeters. Correct answer to this was 2 centimeters. A very good question in making. एक बार आपको वापस ट्राई करना है. This was a very good question. Highly conceptual. Okay. This Sunday, we are conducting a scholarship test like we used to conduct every Sunday. Every Sunday we do conduct a scholarship test, जिसको आप attempt करके you can get scholarship on plus and pro subscription up to 90%. Okay. Do not forget to attempt. Golden opportunity है, right? Pure gold है. This test is pure gold. 10% ही केवल लगेगा of the fee to subscribe if you score some real nice percentile in this scholarship test. The timing is 31st May, 9 PM onwards. When I say 9 PM onwards, the window will be opened for 24 hours. 31st May, 9 PM. to 1st June 9 p.m. Okay, attend the test. The registration link is in the description and get some real nice scholarship and start preparing in a structured way. If you're not aware कि sir how to start, बहुत सारे queries है आपके, so we are conducting a webinar also by our VARC expert Ritu Dudhoria ma'am on 1st of June at 9 p.m. Okay, this webinar will be conducted on Zoom. What is the benefit of conducting it on Zoom? It would be a two-way conversation. आपकी कुछ भी queries है, you can switch on the mic and you can ask it directly to the Ritu Dudhoria ma'am and she will address all your confusion. Sorted? इसका भी link description में है. Do not forget to sign up for this webinar. Moving ahead, guys. Try next question. I'll give you 90 seconds for it. Last 40 seconds. Come on, guys. Try these questions. They look difficult. They are not. Time's up. Chalo, let's read the question and decode the data given. There is a triangle which is drawn inside a circle. Okay, the vertices of a triangle are lying on the circle. Let this be the circle C. Okay, and we have to draw a triangle inside this circle so that one of the sides is the diameter of this circle C. One of the sides of the triangle would be the diameter of this circle C. So let this be the diameter. This behaves as one of the sides. Let this be the triangle. Okay, and this side, let's name the side. Triangle का कोई नाम given है? नहीं. Let's name it XYZ. Let's name it. क्या name करेंगे इसको? PQR कर देते हैं. Okay, we'll name it PQR. The triangle PQR, where PR is the diameter of the circle, and we know from the properties of circle that angle in semicircle is 90 degree. QR, if QR is the diameter, this angle QPR is the angle in semicircle. This is bound to be 90 degrees. Okay. ठीक है. The other two sides other than the diameter have their lengths in the ratio A is to B. So these two sides PQ and PR are in the ratio A is to B. Let's say AX and BX. This is AX and this is BX. Bolo yes sir. Yes sir. Very good. And this QR, let this be the center. This would be radius. This would be radius. QR is 2R. Hayana. Sir, PQ is 2x and PR is, no, PQ is not 2x. PQ is AX. AX. Sir, PR is BX and QR is 2r, right? What is the relationship between PQ, PR and QR? Being a right angled triangle, Pythagoras system, Pythagoras theorem would be applicable over here. Pythagoras theorem तो applicable होगा ना? बिल्कुल सर, PQ square plus PR square would be equal to QR square. So I have A square x square plus B square x square is equal to 4R square. X square is nothing but 4R square upon A square plus B square. Bolo yes sir. Very good. So this is the takeaway. X square is nothing but 4R square upon A square plus B square. Very good. Acha. You have to find the area of the triangle and you have to represent the area of the triangle in the form of A, B and R. What is the area of this triangle PQR? बोलो. देखो, I need the space. So किधर space manage करे, इधर करते हैं manage. I'll take this out. I'll only keep the conclusion. Okay. How to calculate area of the triangle? Sir, area of the triangle PQR is nothing but half into this base into this height, half into base into height, half into AX into BX. Yes or no? इसका वैल्यू निकालना है. What do I have? I have half AB into x square and I have the value of x square. Let's put the value of x square. 4R square upon A square plus B square. Now this gets cancelled out. The final answer is 2 times AB R square upon A square plus B square. This is what we are left with. Do we have this in the answer? Yes, option A. Option A आपका right answer है. Welcome Khushi. This was one of the questions asked in CAT from triangles. Was it difficult? Not at all. Was asked in CAT 2023. Recent year question है. If you follow the classes, if you follow the concepts, आप बहुत आसानी से ये questions attempt कर सकते हैं and you will get sure shot marks in geometry. Hence, I always recommend कि आपको geometry करना चाहिए. Once done the concepts of geometry, you can score out of marks in geometry and you can expect 4 to 5 questions from geometry. Let's move to the next question. Chalo. Read the question carefully. Attempt it. अच्छा guys, take a moment to like the video. Okay. कर देंगे सर, कर दो बेटा. In triangle ABC, altitude AD and B are drawn to the corresponding bases. Angle BAC is 45 degrees and angle ABC is theta. Find AD upon BE. Very good, Smriti. Root 2 sine theta could be the right answer. Time's up. चलो, this is a triangle ABC. ये है ट्राइंगल ABC. अब छोटा ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे, ठीक है. Triangle ABC. Sorry, the current shape is not recognized. It has to be recognized. Okay. AD and BE are altitudes the corresponding bases. ये AD and let this be BD. These are altitude to the corresponding bases. So what they are saying कि एक triangle है ABC. ठीक है. Now AD is the altitude from A to BC and BE is the altitude to AC from B. Angle BAC is 45. This angle is 45 degrees. Angle ABC is theta. This angle is theta. You have to find AD upon BE. They are expecting the value of AD by BE. Okay. अच्छा देखो, अगर मुझे परपेंडिकुलर गिवन है, मतलब हाइट गिवन है फ्रॉम ए टू बीसी, बीसी पे हाइट गिवन है फ्रॉम ए, इसका क्या मतलब है? इससे क्या कर सकते हैं हम? सर एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल निकाल सकते हैं. सो यूजिंग दिस अल्टीट्यूड एडी वी कैन फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. यूजिंग द अल्टीट्यूड बीई अगेन वी कैन फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल, एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम ट्राइंगल, राइट? सो दीज टू एरियाज वुड बी इक्वल. Let's write it down. I know that half into BC into AD, this is area of triangle ABC, this is equal to half into AC into BE, AC into BE, half से half is cancelled out. We are looking for AD upon BE, AD upon BE, AD है, so this is AD upon BE is as good as AC upon BC. Yes or no? They are asking the value of AD upon BE which is equal to AC upon BC. So अगर हम किसी तरीके से AC और BC का रेशियो निकाल ले, that would be the answer. बट किसी तरीके से क्यों निकालना है? They have given you the hint ना, they have given you the hint, right? देखो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल का एक और फॉर्मूला है ना, बोलो यस सर. एक ट्राइंगल है ए बी सी, एंगल है थीटा बिटवीन देम, तो इसका एरिया कैसे निकलता है? साइन फॉर्मूला से, हाफ इंटू ए बी इंटू ए सी इंटू साइन थीटा, हाफ इंटू साइड्स इंटू साइन ऑफ द एंगल बिटवीन देम. ये फॉर्मूला भी तो एग्जिस्ट करता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव गिवन दीज एंगल्स. दे वांट यू टू यूज दीज एंगल्स. चलो, we will use this angle. Now again, area of triangle ABC would be half into AB into AC sin 45. Okay, half into AB into AC into sin A, let's say sin A, and this is also equal to area of the same triangle जिसको हम लोग इस बार ए बी एंड बी सी साइड से कैलकुलेट करेंगे. हाफ ए बी इंटू बी सी इंटू साइन ऑफ एंगल बिटवीन देम इंटू साइन थीटा, राइट? देखो क्या मिलता है, ए बी गॉन, हाफ हाफ गॉन. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर ए सी बाई बी सी, ए सी है बी सी है, सो ए सी बाई बी सी, this would be equal to sin theta upon sin 45, because sin A is 45. What is sin 45? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin theta upon 1 by root 2. So this is root 2 sin theta. AC by BC is equal to root 2 sin theta. And AC by BC is equal to AD by DE. So AD by DE is also equal to root 2 sin theta. Answer to the question option C. स्मृति ने करेक्ट आंसर दिया था ना? Yes. स्मृति nailed it. Very good. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ मूव करें. बिल्कुल, ट्राई दिस वन. Try this one. I'll give you 90 seconds. इसको अटेम्प्ट करना है. Come on, boys. Last 50 seconds left. Time's up. देखो, read the question carefully. Question में क्या है? You have two ships approaching to a port across in straight routes at constant speed. Very good. Initially, the two ships and the port they form an equilateral triangle. So जो port है, and the two ships, let's say S1 and S2, they form equilateral triangle. They form equilateral triangle. Okay, and these are two ships. This is port. These ships are moving towards port only. They are moving in this direction. They are moving in this direction, and they make equilateral triangle. The two ships and the port, they make equilateral triangle of length 24 kilometers. So all of these three lengths is 24, 24, 24. When the slower ship traveled 8 kilometers, the triangle formed by the new position and the two ships became right angled. अच्छा, let's say this one is slower, this one is faster. तो इसका नाम बदल देते हैं. This is slower ship and this is faster ship. SS for slower ship, SF for faster ship. And guys, जब स्लोअर शिप ने 8 किलोमीटर कवर किया होगा, जब स्लोअर शिप ने 8 किलोमीटर कवर किया होगा, तो फास्टर शिप में डेफिनेटली 8 किलोमीटर से ज्यादा कवर किया होगा. फास्टर शिप कहीं ना कहीं यहां होगी, विच इज मोर देन 8. स्लोअर शिप का वी आर श्योर कि दिस इज 8 एंड दिस इज 16. बट फास्टर शिप has covered more than 8 kilometers of the distance. But the catch is what they are saying, the new triangle formed is right angled. The new triangle formed is right angled. मतलब अब जो है इन तीनों, the port and the two ships, after this change, they form right triangle. Very good. Let's name them. इस पॉइंट को x बोल देते हैं. Let's name this point as y. This is 60 degrees. Why? क्योंकि इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है. एंगल y is 90 degree, so this angle has to be 30 degree. Okay. I do want to know what distance the faster ship has covered. I do want to know what is this length. What is SY? SFY, to be honest. हाँ, but we cannot calculate SFY directly. हम लोग PY calculate कर सकते हैं from this triangle, right? यहां पे हम बोल सकते हैं sin 30. देखो, इस ट्राइंगल को I'll draw separately. This triangle looks like this. P, X, Y. This is 30 and this is 16. Okay. So I can say sin 30 Sine 30 is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine 30 is Py upon Px. I'm interested in Py. I have Px as 16. I have value of sine 30 as half. So I can say, sir, Py is 8. ये जो Py है, this length is 8. So the distance covered by the faster ship is 16. So we can see कि speed of faster ship is 2 times the speed of slower ship. स्लोअर शिप ने 8 किलोमीटर कवर किया, फास्टर शिप ने 16 किलोमीटर कवर किया. फास्टर शिप हैज कवर्ड 2 टाइम्स द डिस्टेंस. द स्पीड ऑफ द फास्टर शिप इज 2 टाइम्स द स्पीड ऑफ द स्लोअर शिप. इसका मतलब क्या? When the faster ship will reach this point means when the faster ship will cover 24 kilometers, the slower ship will cover 12 kilometers, half the distance. Slower ship will cover 12 kilometers, half the distance. When faster ship is completing 24 kilometers, slower ship would be at half of the distance, 12 kilometers, and would be another 12 kilometers away from port, and would be another 12 kilometers away from port. Bolo, yes sir. Sorted? Very good. Let's move to the next question. Try this one. One last variety. I'll give you 90 seconds. Come on, guys. You got last 40 seconds. Time's up. Dekho, suppose the medians BD and CE of a triangle ABC intersect at point O. Let's draw the triangle ABC. Let's draw the triangle ABC. The medians BD and CE. Okay, let this be the median BD and let this be the median CE. Okay, let's name it triangle A, B, C. BD is a median and CE is a median. Median matlab kya? AD is equal to DC and A is equal to BE. Median matlab it splits the opposite side into 2 equal halves, right? Very good. And they meet at O. The area of the bigger triangle is 108. Area of triangle ABC is given to be 108. They are expecting the area of triangle EOD. They are expecting the area of triangle EOD. So they are expecting the area of this smaller triangle. This is smaller triangle. Now, how to find this out? अच्छा गाइस देखो, हाँ, यस सर। अच्छा, चेक दिस आउट। इफ यू रिमेंबर, अभी आई एम ड्रॉइंग इट, आई टेक दिस आउट, ओके। अगर मैंने यहां से भी एक मीडियन ड्रॉ किया, यहां से भी एक मीडियन ड्रॉ किया, फॉरगेट अबाउट ईडी, ईडी को भी भूल जाओ। इनफैक्ट रुको, मुझे ना ये ईडी हटाने दो, ईडी हटाने दो, ठीक है। अगर मैंने एक मीडियन यहां से ड्रॉ किया, so the three medians divide the entire triangle into six smaller triangles having equal areas, है या ना? एक, दो, तीन, चार, पांच, छह, these are six smaller triangles having equal areas, right? 108 divided by 6, each one of them is 108 divided by 6, each one of them is 18. This is 18, this is 18, this is 18, this is 18, and these two are 18. So this AEOD is how much? 36. AEOD is how much? 36. Bolo yes sir. The area of AEOD is 36, right? And now they are asking what is the area of EOD, triangle EOD. So I can say area of triangle EOD is area of rectangle AEOD. Area of rectangle AEOD is बड़े वाले rectangle, not rectangle, quadrilateral, इस quadrilateral में से quadrilateral AEOD minus area of triangle AED. Yes or no? AEOD I am aware of is 36. अगर मुझे AED का एरिया मिल जाए तो आई विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल EOD. AED का एरिया चाहिए. And focus guys, E and D are midpoints. So ED is parallel to BC and half of it. याद करो Thales theorem, basic proportionality theorem, midpoint theorem. क्या बोलता है midpoint theorem? Midpoint theorem says that if we connect the midpoints of two sides, it is parallel to third side and is half of it. So I can say in triangle AED and triangle ABC, these are similar triangles, AED and ABC, angle same, angle A same hai, this angle is same, alternate angles, this angle is same, the corresponding angles. So these two triangles are similar, and when they are similar, ratio of sides ka square is ratio of their area. I can write area of triangle AED upon area of triangle ABC is ED upon BC square. हाँ या ना? Sides का square का जो ratio है, that is ratio of their areas. Now I can write this as area of triangle AED. Area of triangle AED. I know area of triangle ABC is 108. This is 1 by 4. Okay. So AED is how much? 27. Area of triangle AED is 27. Put this value over here. AED के वैल्यू यहां पुट कर दो, you will get 9, which is the area of EOD. Sorted. Area of EOD. और ये उनको ही समझेगा, those who are paying attention from the very first class of geometry. Right. So guys, what we did today were the PYQs, the latest PYQs 2022 and 2023 के. Triangles 1 में we talked about the basic properties of triangle. Triangle 2nd में we talked about the basic proportionality theorem, midterm theorem, angle bisector theorem. Triangles 3 में we talked about the geometric centers of triangle. Triangle 4 में We did some PYQs, some good questions, the recently asked questions. You need little bit of more practice and you are good to go for CAT examination. इसके बाहर ना theory है ना concepts है. Recent year के PYQs भी कर लिए हमने, सारी theories भी देख लिए, enough questions भी solve कर लिए from triangles. In the next session, we'll be starting with circles, right? Before concluding this session, guys, if you are targeting CAT 2025, there is no time left. अभी तक तो मैं बोलता था कि try कर लो इधर उधर, but if you have not enrolled anywhere, this is the place. We are offering a sale right now, mission selection sale, wherein you can get the prime subscription in 2 for 999, the pro subscription in 1 for 999, and I would recommend pro only. क्यों? क्योंकि pro में you get subscription to all the batches. We will be launching multiple batches of CAT. पुराने batches है, नए batches है, सबके access मिलेगा. CAT Assure का benefit मिलेगा, Snap and MET, CMET सबके batches आपको मिलेंगे, GDPI में assistance मिलेगा, what and what not. Content wise, this is multifolds to that of MBA Plus. Subscribe to MBA Pro. Start your preparation journey as soon as possible, guys. This is your journey, your career. Take charge of it. We are here to help you in all possible ways. See you in the next session. I'll be starting with circles. Till then, have a great day ahead. Tata, bye bye, sayonara.